Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter, and a reminder that we will be on the air live, Stephen and Walter live, today, Sunday, December the 18th, 2022. We're getting closer to Christmas, aren't we? So we will be on today, and what are we going to talk about? Well, we're going to talk about what we've been working on. We've had a couple of social events that we attended the last couple of days. We're going to be revealing the last of the items in the Santa sack from Quilter Quilting. We're going to talk about the two special events that we have planned coming up and that you're invited to. And of course, we'll talk about everything else under the sun, and I am sure there will be some topics that will come up in the conversation that we will explore further. So I hope you can join us today, Sunday, December the 18th, 2022, at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. See you then. Bye bye.